Hello, bienvenue sur channel Lamise en Creole là. Dans cette vidéo ça jodi a moi pour montrer nous une petite recette moi fait avec Kenep. OK? Qui ça dit m'attendo? Côté me joindre Kenep ça? Non ti market North Dakota. Moi même tout moi te saisi l'aime te joindre Kenep là. Mais nous ouais, Kenep là bien frais mais c'est ça yo petit. Okay? Guys, if you are new to the channel, I'm making a video on a Kenep punch. And this is the Keneps. They are called English lime in English. So stay tuned. I'm going to be making this video in Creole and in English. Ma fè vidéo ça en Creole avec en anglais tout. So bon vire caméra pour m'ka montrer nous tout ça nous besoin pour nous faire recette là, OK? Pour nous faire recette là, n'a besoin Kenep là. To do the recipe you will need the Kenep. Mwen poko rinse yo, sak fe mwen pa kale tout. I haven't rinsed them off yet, that's why I haven't peeled them all. And you will need some vanilla extract. Na bezwen essence rouge la. And you will need some Haitian Rhum. Okay, na bezwen Barbancourt, sucre blanc, sugar, and almond extract, essence blanc. And you will need a bottle. Na bezon ti Boutèy, okay? So mwen pral rinse Kenep yo, na pou ma vin kale yo aveno. I'm going to rinse them off and then I can come and peel them with you guys together. Okay, so as you can see, I put them in some water so I can rinse them. Nou ka wè mwen mette non ti dlo pou mka rinse yo. So you will take one out like that and just peel it. Retire yon, an apre just passe mon pou ka coupe yo. OK? Comme ça. Mettez-le dans bouteille là and just place them in the bottle. OK? Ça que m'a fait vidéo en créole avec en anglais, c'est parce que moi par contre qui l'aime a joindre ti Kenep ça encore. Moi joindre ni konya moi tout profiter faire vidéo ni en anglais ni en créole. Excusez parce que me connais channel ça, c'est channel créole là, but excusez. The reason I'm doing this video in Creole and in English, guys, is because I don't know when I'll have the opportunity to get any of this Kenep ever again. I live in North Dakota for almost 30 years, and I've never seen this, ever. So this is why I'm doing the video in both languages. I know this is my Creole channel, but I apologize. I'm doing it for you guys, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and keep peeling them. This one was like a twin. I'm going to go ahead and keep peeling them and then I'll come back and show you guys how to add the rum and everything in there. Ma kontinye kale yo, an apre ma pretourne pou mka montre nou ki jan mwen mette rum nan avec essence lan tout bagay la dan. Okay? Si nou poko tou, s'il vous plaît, al suiv mwen sou Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Et mwen gon bon ti tan mwen pa lage video, men mwen toujou aktive sous social media mi yo, ok? Al suiv mwen sou yo, m'a kite tout lien yo en bas video sa pou nou ka suiv mwen. Merci d'avance. If you haven't, please go follow me on all my social medias. Oh, I have another twin ones. Hold on, Marasa. I will leave all the link down there for you guys. And if you are only an English speaker, I do have an English channel where you guys can check me out as well. The link will be in the bio as well. This is so good. This reminds me of my childhood growing up. Not growing up because I was in Haiti till I was like 10, 11. So the little time that I spent in Haiti, this is definitely a holiday goodie right here. Okay? Just delicious. It don't have much meat in there. You can see this is what they look like. Li pa gen trop viande, mais li bon pour moi. Okay. I'll be back, guys. Okay, so now it's time to put our sugar. Konya nou wal mette sikla. I'm using a funnel and I am going to put about 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm using the funnel just because I wanted to not spread all over. Not mette oka edmi tas sucre. Ma mette toujours. I'm going to put another 1/8. Na bezwen, on met diyon lot ka anko. Sucre. Let's say it's 2/4 cup of sugar. let's just say. And I am going to be using the rum. You can use any rum, or you can even use, what's the other alcohol? Everclear. This is 1/4, ça c'est 3 mettez 2 So 2/4 rum, 2 rum. Parce que m'besoin ba la fort moi-même. Metzou, m'bap jam jete ça. I'm going to put a cap of the almond extract. Un petit bouteille essence blanc, un petit bouchon bouteille. Un petit bouchon bouteille essence rouge là tout, and then a cap of the vanilla extract. Okay. And I almost use this capsule to try to fit in this. You can tell I'm getting excited. I'm content. Then now you just want to shake it up. Make sure you shake it really well. Sukil. Okay. Then I'm going to place this under my counter. Let it sit there for like 1 week before I drink it. M'bral kitel pose là pour un bon semaine avant moi enjoy. So when you're drinking it, you're really drinking the alcohol. So you pour some and drink it. So it's like a little Kenep liquor, I guess. So l'op boel, si vous voulez manger grain Kenep là ou capable, but c'est jia ou ap enjoy siro ou pal enjoy, okay? Moi ta souhaite nous après cette vidéo ça en pile parce que pas jamais pensé me ka joindre Kenep. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I never thought I could find this Kenep. So this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys for watching. Et ça c'est fin vidéo. Si vous pouvez pas oublier abonner avec channel la, partager vidéo à toutes amis, toute famille nous. Moi mais nous en pile parce que nous regarder vidéo. Bye bye. Now we know lot video. Love you.